Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. In the last class, we learned about properties of matter. In today's class, we are going to learn about transparent object, translucent object, and opaque object. First, we discuss about transparent object. Transparent object, which things can be seen clearly, are known as transparent object. That means the objects allow the light to pass through them. One can clearly see through transparent object. These transparent objects do not cast shadows because they do not block light. For examples, glass, water, plastic. Next, translucent object. Materials through which things can be seen but not clearly are known as translucent. These objects allow light to pass through them partially. One can see through translucent object but not very clearly. Translucent objects cast faint shadows as they block light partially. For example, butter paper, thin fabrics, frosted glass, thin paper. Next, opaque object. Materials through which things cannot be seen are known as opaque object. These objects do not allow light to pass through them. One cannot see through opaque objects. Opaque objects cast dark shadows as they block light completely. For example, book, rock, bricks, wood, stone, metal, aluminium, foil. See, listen children, why should we build the wall of the house with bricks? Because brick is a opaque material. It will not pass through the light. We build house with bricks because it protects us from light. Next, we'll move on to reflection of light. Before we start the topic, first we discuss about what is light. Light is an electromagnetic radiation that can be detected by human eyes. It is a primary tool for seeing the whole world and communicating with it. We see the world around us with the help of light. Where do we get light? We get light from the sun or from the other sources like on electrical lamp or a bulb. The objects that give us light are called light sources. Now we are going to learn about reflection of light. We see the world around us with the help of light. Where do we get light from? Light may come either from the sun or from other sources like on electric lamp or a bulb. The objects that give off light are called light sources. When light falls on a transparent material, it passes through it. However, when light falls on a polished surface of an opaque material, it does not pass through it. It bounces back. The bouncing of light by any smooth or polished surface is called reflection. When you look into the mirror, you can see your own face on the mirror. What you see in a reflection of your face in the mirror? We also see reflection of other objects that are in front of the mirror. These reflections are formed by light and they are called images. So you understand, children? The bouncing of light by any smooth or polished surface is called reflection. So in this class, we have learned about transparent object, translucent object, and opaque object, then reflection of light. We will see in the next class, children. Thank you, children.